Welcome to this tutorial. This video is going to show you how to design flyers with AI. So the tool we'll be making use of today is ChatGPT and maybe any other tool, but basically ChatGPT. And InShot, yes, InShot. So ChatGPT can generate and InShot can edit if it is really necessary. I've done this video before, but this time around, I need to update it with the the recent upgrade, ChatGPT Image 2.0. So what you have to do is to open ChatGPT. There's a particular flyer that I want to recreate, and it is this one, this particular flyer. Okay, this one. Let's go back. Photo. So this is the flyer I want to recreate. This one. ChatGPT created it earlier, but then it disrupted some of the images, and it's just not nice. So let me recreate everything here. So all I want to do is, this is one of the things that you can do to get ideas quickly. Get an image, get a flyer that you love. Ensure that it is not it's not something that people would easily spot out. Okay. You want to get a flyer that you know is good, you love it, but you're not going to copy their style, right? You can even tell ChatGPT or any tool that you're using, this time Claude, that while it is copying the JSON prompt, it should give you something with a similar creative flow, but not to copy verbatim. Do not copy the design elements verbatim. Okay, this is to avoid getting sued. Somebody will not come tomorrow and say you copied their flyer, and whatever their font style is patented and you went to go and copy it. So now this is it. Go to Claude, put in the flyer and say extract all the details in this flyer. Can you see? And it extracted it. So I want to redesign that flyer. You can put in all the details that you want in a flyer. You can just put it in, right? Just plant it in. Put a flyer that is similar, right, to what you want to design. Drop it there, and then what you will now comment next is, what you put in next. I want the JSON prompt, JSON prompt for the flyer, right? And it gives you all of this, gives me this, right? So I can edit this. I can edit this. See what I said? This is what I said. Use this color palette. So I want the color palette in this what's it called, logo, right? Now feel free to adjust font style and any other feature to ensure this design comes out very professional and let's see, beautiful. Oh, why did I go and write don't style? I did not say font style. I mean font style. Yeah, font style. So copy message. Let me quickly edit it. Now drop JSON. So this is what we have so far. Okay, I can copy this, right? and it's now fully production ready, clean enough to hand to a designer, detailed enough to feed into an AI image generator, whatever. So now let's go to ChatGPT. Now that we have this, go to ChatGPT. I hope it works. So create an image, create image. So I would have to upload the photos, this, this, this. And I think I should just use another image of myself. Or I can use it like this. Okay. Okay. So what I'm going to do is impute that prompt. Okay. And I think that should be all. That should be all. Let's get it done. So yes, we're done with our design, and this is what we have. Amazing. Amazing. So all you need to do is to tap on it and save. Ouch. Cancel. Tap on it and you see the save icon, this downward arrow icon, and you save. Okay, the design is ready. So another thing that you can also do is to use a design master prompt. Let me show you what I mean by that. I think I must have created a project for design. So yeah, that'll be another way to to design flyers, to use a master prompt. So I created this master prompt by myself, and I'm going to do another video. Sharing how to use it. I'll probably be building an app. I think that will be the next app, the next thing that we'll be doing, building out this app. So you'll watch me build it, you build with me, and then you can execute something else on your own end. But yes, this is the end of the video. I hope you can try out something with your ChatGPT. Remember, before you have access to this new improved ChatGPT, go to Play Store and upgrade your app. If you're using iPhone, find a way to upgrade your ChatGPT. Yeah, you get access to the image 2.0, and I think you have up to three. You can create up to 3 images every day, and then your credits would get exhausted until a set number of hours. But what you can do is you can actually copy whatever you're doing, use another email account, log into ChatGPT, and then you can continue working there if that's really urgent for you. So yes, thank you very much for watching. Have an amazing night rest or day, whatever, wherever. Thank you.